Assalamu alaikum, Saima.
Walaikum assalam, Shaikh.
You are welcome, Saima, in our house. This is my room.
Thank you, my friend. Is there anyone who cleans it for you?
Ha ha ha. No, I clean it myself, Saima. My mom taught me how to clean my room, tidy my bed and cupboard, and keep my body and clothes clean. She told me that cleaning is half of faith, and Allah loves those who keep themselves clean. That's why I love cleaning my room. I brush my teeth, comb my hair, wash my face, polish my shoes, keep my bed clean in my home, and keep my spot clean in school.
This is good. I have learned a lot from you, Shaikh.
Now I have some questions for my students. Let's see who can answer. What did Saima like? How did Shaikh learn to tidy his room? Why does Shaikh keep his room clean? Well done, my dear students.